Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to enable and disable priority notifications on your account on Blue Sky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Now you are on the discover page. So now go on these three lines up here, then go to the notifications. Now as you see, click here on this settings icon, and as you see here, you can enable priority notifications and disable it as you like. So that's it. That's how to enable and disable priority notifications on your account on Blue Sky easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.